How to install N8N on Windows. So, step 1, go to the official N8N website at n8n.io and download the window installer or the setup instructions for npm or Docker. Step 2, if you want the simplest method, install node.js from the official website and make sure to include with npm in the installation. Step 3, open your command prompt or PowerShell and then type in npm install n8n-g. Then hit enter. After that, this will install n8n globally on your system. Step 4. Once installed, you can type in this same command prompt n8n start, and then this will launch the workflow automation editor on your browser in this link. And then step 5, create an account. Set your credentials and you're ready to start building your automation. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Make sure to like and subscribe, okay? Thank you for watching.